Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 3 power x by square root of 3 is equals to 9 power x minus 2 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first 3 power x by under root of a, we can write it as a power 1 by 2. So here we can write it as 3 power 1 by 2 is equals to 9. We can write it as 3 square x minus 2. Now, according to the exponent rule, x power m by x power n, we can write it as x power m minus n. So here 3 power x minus 1 by 2 is equals to 3 power. Here x power m power n, we can write it as x power mn. 3 power 2x minus 4. Now we know that if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So x minus 1 by 2 is equals to 2x minus 4. Now we write the same quantities together. So 2x minus x and here 4 minus 1 by 2. Now if we take the LCM here 2, 8 minus 1 and here x. So the value of x is 7 by 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.